Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's learning time.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's learning time. So today in this video we are going to cover 3 points, that are 6 digit numbers, comparing the numbers, and the third one is ascending and descending order. So now let us study one by one. Let us study the first one, that is 6 digit number. How to form a 6 digit number, how to read it, and how to write a 6 digit number. So in the last video I already told you how to form a 5 digit number. When we add 1 into greatest 4 digit number, we will get the smallest 5 digit number. Like that only, when we add 1 into the greatest 5 digit number, greatest 5 digit number is 99,999. 99,999 is a greatest 5 digit number. When we add 1 into that number, we will get 1 lakh. So see the how many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it is a 6 digit number. When we add 1 into the greatest 5 digit number, we will get the smallest 6 digit number. 99,999 plus 1 is equal to 1 lakh.
1 lakh is the smallest 6 digit number.
Like that, 9,99,999 is the greatest 6 digit number. So what we studied now? How to form a 6 digit number. To form a 6 digit number, we have to add 1 into greatest 5 digit number, then we will get the smallest 6 digit number. So let us take one example. By seeing this number, what we will get here? A 6 digit number is separated by 3 periods, that are ones, thousands, and lakh. So the 5 digit number is separated by 2 periods, thousands and ones. Like that, the 6 digit number is separated by 3 periods, that is ones, thousand, and lakhs. 1, 10 and 100 will come in the ones period, 1000 and 10,000 will come in the 10,000 period, and this 1 will come in the lakh period. So in 6 digit number, how many periods are there? 3 periods are there, ones, thousand, and lakh. Now let us take one more example to understand how to read the 6 digit number and how to write a 6 digit number. So now already I told you the 6 digit number is divided into 3 periods, ones, thousand, and lakhs. So while reading, we have to remove this comma and we have to add which is period is this? It is lakh and it is thousand. So while reading, we read it as 2,17,521. And in writing, how we will write? So just the first digit is 2. Remove this comma and put the lakh. It is 2 lakhs. Now it is 17. Remove this comma and this period is thousand. So write down 1000. And the last one is ones period, that is 500. One. So while writing, we will write as a 2 lakhs. Here it is comma is there. Remove that comma and put the lakhs. Then 17. Again one comma is there. Then write the 17. Then it is 1000. Then last one is 521. While writing, we write it as 2 3,70,521. I hope you understood this part. So now we will move to the next part, that is comparing the numbers. So the next one is comparing the number. How to compare the given two numbers? To compare the number, we have to write in sign. So these two are the signs to compare the numbers. Which one is greater and which one is smaller. So this sign is greater than sign and this sign is smaller than sign. So let us take one example. I am going to take the 5-digit number 52,413, 12,413. Okay, now see here, I have taken 5-digit number. First number is 52,413 and the second one is 12,413. So now we have to compare this number. Which one is greater and which one is smaller. To compare the number, the first step is always we have to compare the numbers from the greatest place value. Here the greatest place value is 10,000. So while comparing the numbers, we should start from the greatest place value. Then not from the smallest one. Always remember you have to start from the left side only. So just see here, in 10,000 place, here 5 is there and near 10,000 place 1 is there. So which one is greater? The 5 is greater than 1. So automatically the first number 52,413 is greater than 12,413. Means which sign will come? Here among these two, which sign will come? The first number is greater. Then the first sign will come. Means what? 52,413 is greater than 12,413. Let us take one more example. So the second number is, the first one is 24,850 and the second one is 24,210. Now we have to compare these numbers. As I told you, while comparing, start from the greatest place value. It is 10,000 here. So in 10,000 place 2 is there. In the second number, here also 2 is there. So both sides 2 are there, means the number is equal. If both numbers are same, then go for the second place value. It is 1000. Here 4 is there, here 4 is there. Again 4, 4, both are equal. Then go for the next one, that is 100 place. Here 8 is there and here 2 is there. Now which number is greater? 8 is greater than 2. Then which number is greater here? 24,850 is greater than 24,210. So which sign will come? Again the greater sign will come. Let us take one more example. Here 14,912 is there and here 14,913 is there. So now compare. The first one in the tens place is 1. Here also in 10,000 place it is 1. In thousands place it is 4. Here also 4. In hundreds place here is 9. Here also 9. In tens place it is 1. Here also 1. In ones place it is 2 and here it is 3. So 2 is greater than 3 or smaller than 3? 2 is smaller than 3. So 14,912 is smaller than 14,913. So which sign will come? The smaller than small sign will come. That is 14,912 is smaller than 14,913. I hope you understood the comparing the numbers. Now we will move for the next part, that is ordering the numbers. We have to order the given numbers in ascending and descending order. So the next part is ordering the numbers. The first one is ascending order. What do you mean by the ascending order? In ascending order, we have to adjust the number from the smaller number to greatest number. So here I have taken some examples. So from this we have to identify which one is smaller number and which one is greater number. According to their place values, we have to order the numbers in ascending order, that is from smaller number to greater number. Let us take ascending order. From the given number, which one is smaller? There is 24,118 is there, 23,420 is there, 12,100, 25,213, 25,081. So which one is smaller here? 25,213 is smaller one? No, it is not the smaller one. So which one is smaller number here? 12,100 is a smaller number. So the first one here 12,100. After that, which number is greater? 23,420. 23,420. After that, which number will come? 24,181. After this number, which one is greater number? See here, both are 25,000, but the smaller one is 25,081. So the number will come 25,081. And the lastly, the greater number, it is 25,213. This is the ordering the number in ascending order. In ascending order, what we do? We will start from the smaller number to the greater number. So I have taken one example. In this, 12,100 is a smaller number. Then 23,421. Then 24,181. 25,081. Then the lastly the greater number is 25,213. So this is the ascending order of the given example. Now we will see the descending order. So the next one is descending order. Descending order is total opposite to the ascending order. In ascending order, what we do? We place the numbers from smaller number to greater number. In descending order, what we do? We arrange the numbers from greater number to the smaller number. So I have taken one example here. The first one is 32,469, 65,310, 81,245, 21,381 and 92,225. So let us arrange the numbers in descending order. In descending order, what we have to do? We have to arrange the numbers from greater number to the smaller number. From this given numbers, which one is greater number? 92,225 is a greater number. So let us write the 92,225 first, because it is the greatest number. Then after that 81,245. Then next smaller number is 65,310. After that 32,469 and the lastly 21,381. This is the descending order of the given number. What we do in the descending order? We arrange the numbers in the greater number to the smaller number. So here 92,225 is greater one, 81,245 is smaller than 92,225, then 65,310 is smaller than 81,245, 32,469 is smaller than 65,310, and lastly 21,381 is smaller than 32,469. I hope you understood how to arrange the given numbers in descending order. I hope you understood how to form a 6-digit number, how to read it, how to write it, and how to compare the given numbers and how to order the numbers in ascending order as well as in descending order. So in next video we are going to start a new topic, that is Indian system of numeration. Till then, be safe in your home. To get more videos, so please subscribe to my channel. It's learning time. Thank you.
Press like button and subscribe to my channel. It's learning time.